Ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? Guess what? It's impossible. Why does this happen? When you sneeze, your body goes through a reflex that causes your eyes to close, almost like a protective shield. It's believed to be a defense mechanism, keeping dust or germs from entering your eyes while your body expels them from your nose. So, even though you might try to keep them open, your body's like, no, we've got this. Fun fact. You might even feel your eyes squint or close tight without any control. It's just your body doing its thing, even when you don't want it to. Can't believe your body does this automatically, right? Want to know more surprising facts? Hit subscribe and stay curious.